Hello kids, hello parents. Today we are in local park trying to find all animals that are hidden somewhere in this grass. Let's go together and find them all. Wow, I think I found first animal.
Yay!
What kind of animal is this? What do you think, guys? This is Panda. It has two colors, white and black. Let's try to find another animal. Wow, look what I found here, guys. This animal has the same colors. It has white and black colors. Do you know what kind of animal is this? That's right, this is cow. Say it with me, guys. Cow. Awesome. Let's try to find another animal. Yeah. We gotta find all animals. Wow, I think I found another one. Wow, and another animal is the same colors as were two previously. It has only two colors, black and white stripes. Yeah! Do you know what kind of animal is this, guys? Zebra. Say it with me. Zebra. Good job, you guys. We gotta find another animal. Yeah, we're looking for it. And we gotta find... Oh, yes, there we go. We found another animal hidden in the grass. What kind of animal is this? It has pink color, with 4 legs and curly tail behind. Wow, what kind of animal is this? It is pig. Pig. Good job, you guys. And we're continuing on, looking for more animals. They are hidden here, I know this for sure. And we gotta find them all, okay? Wow, there they are. Hey, they're somewhere in grass. Come on. Wow, I see something brown. Do you see something brown out there? This is a brown animal. And it's pretty big. Whoa. Hey buddy, do you guys know what kind of animal is this? Whoa. It has 4 legs with a brown color. It's a bear. It's a brown bear. Good job, you guys. And we gotta find more animals that are hidden in this grass in a local park. I'm wondering, who are you? I'll take you carefully and gently. Say it with me, guys. It is sheep. Sheep. Good job, you guys. I'm wondering, who's else hidden in this grass? Look, I think I found another animal. Wow. Do you know what kind of animal is this? It is goat. It has 4 legs and 2 horns on a head. It is goat. Good job, you guys. Keep it up. Let's try to find more animals. They're here, I know. Whoa. Look what I found. It has a very beautiful pattern on its body. It's an orange and red color. Giraffe. Giraffe. Hey my friend, I've just created a brand new video for you. Click here to watch it, and I'll see you right there, right now.